2021. Here I got a call from an older guy that his air conditioner is not working. Called me last night, called me this morning, called me a bunch of times today. I had to replace a condenser this morning. I was kind of stuck doing that, so I got that done. Now I'm on my way over there and find out what's wrong. It says I was there a couple of years ago and I changed some wires or something from what he said. Burnt wires. It's not working again. It's been a couple of years since I've been there, he said. So I'm on my way over there. It seems like the helicopter type. It'd be hovering over me, asking me what I'm doing. Flipping hot today, like 92 out.
Turn right on State Road.
The phone's just ringing off the hook continuously. It's crazy. They all go to voicemail. I'll look at them when I can. I won't even pick up the phone. Be on the phone all flipping day talking to these idiots, explaining what's going on with their system. I gotta work. I'll call them when I get some time. I go through the list of the calls and go hit them. Go take care of them. See if I can fix them. One after another. It's like bringing cattle to the slaughterhouse. Just keep going through them. Yeah, turn it on. Got it on heat there. Got to put it on cooling.
Oh yeah, that's
fan on. You got no lights.
one more light.
There goes the fan. All right, the fan's running.
The fan's running.
All right, and you changed the filter, right?
The filter was changed yesterday.
Okay, we're gonna check it outside.
And the last time you were here.
Yeah, let's check the unit outside and we'll see what's going on with it, okay? I'll check the unit outside.
Yeah, because what I was going to tell you about here, last year when you came.
What about this? Is this cooling also? This one cooling also?
Huh?
This one says cooling also.
Yeah.
They're both cooling, or you got one system, right?
Yeah, all one system.
Running. Pressure's running. Probably just low on charge a little bit. We got here some kind of memorial for the dog, looks like. Some kind of memorial for the dog. I'm stepping on Fluffy. Alright, so this is 22. Let's see what's going on here with this. Maybe it's a little bit low. He said he changed the filters. Yolika. Oh man, she's a leaker, mama, she's a leaker. She's a leaker, mama, she's a leaker. There, we might be a little bit low on charge there. See it? See, we're a little bit low, not crazy low, but a little bit. I gotta get some juice. It's a Goodman. Can't stop a Goodman, mommy. Can't stop. guys see that? I gotta give it a little juice at 26. That's too high. And see the subcooling, it's low, 2.8. Let's give it a little. How you doing? On a hot day, it's not gonna cool, you know. Give it a little bit of juice here and see what happens. I worked for these people before. Get old like that, they can't. They go deaf. You gotta kind of holler at them so they can hear what you're saying. It's 22. Putting it in as a gas. You can put it in as a gas or liquid on 22. Doesn't matter. Probably put in half a pound or something is all we're gonna need. Pretty sure it's a piston upstairs. Keep an eye on this 76 right here, so when it starts dropping. See it's starting to drop there? It's starting to drop pretty good, so we'll shut it off. See, this is dropping. That's a suction line coming back. Do some housekeeping here for this guy. De-weeding. See how this is coming back, the suction line's dropping. We didn't put much in there. The superheat at 14, that's better. 90, these Goodmans, they do run hot. A lot of high pressure. We don't know what we got upstairs, might be mismatched equipment, but that's better. See our superheat? I'm gonna go with that. Coming back at 66, that's better. Look at a creepy crawler here. Look at a creepy crawler there, Mom. Yeah, we just give it a little juice, give it a little douche. Had to give it a little douche, Mama. Down, we're giving it that's working good right there, see that? Nice sweat action happening. Alright, so the superheat's at 12 now. Subcooling's still low, but shit happens. What do we got there? A little 3-tonner. 3-ton Goodman. '05, it's an '05. Might have Forfei's burial place here, I'm not sure.